Good evening. Kurumka. Bisi Katal. A Happy New Year. On the dais, the Honorable Minister for Rural Development, Sitaka ji, the Honorable Minister for Transport, the Honorable Minister for Tourism. So you have a galaxy of guests today. The Honorable MP, Itala ji, there is our Chairman of the Public Service Commission, the Principal Secretary to the Governor, the Red Cross Chairman and other dignitaries, friends. Today for the first time we are celebrating Thring in Hyderabad. And you have made it a glorious celebration. And the first time has been a great celebration for all of us. This evening, we celebrate our connection with our roots. We celebrate the history of Tripura. Thring celebrates not only New Year, it celebrates the bravery of our kings, of our general, of our queens, and of our land. It celebrates our culture. It celebrates our roots. And today I am very happy that the cultural show has been a cultural exchange of Telangana and Tripura. Not only cultural exchange, even a governor exchange has taken place. I have come here and a Telangana person, Indra Sena ji, has gone as governor of Tripura. And you'll be happy to know that in this city of Hyderabad, which welcomes everyone, which welcomes people of all religion, all communities, of all states, today we are celebrating Thring in all its true colors. And I am very grateful to all the Hojagari dancers who have come from Tripura at such a short notice. And put up such a lovely dance. And I couldn't imagine when I became governor that I would be celebrating Thring in Hyderabad. That too in such a glorious manner. With a galaxy of guests. With all you people here, youngsters, making so much noise that so lovely it is. You feel as if we are in Tripura. This is the charm of Hyderabad. This is the charm of Hyderabad. Today in the stadium, indoor stadium, we feel as if we are in Tripura. Watching Hojagiri, watching Lebang Umani, listening to our songs. So it's a great feeling. And you must enjoy this evening. There is a band that has come from Tripura. They will play. And we must rejoice, we must do everything. But we must remember that today we are celebrating our history and we should do it in a very disciplined manner. We are showcasing the glory of Tripura in Hyderabad for the first time. And we are the lucky ones who have got this opportunity. Not everyone is first, but you and I are the first celebrating Thring in Tripura, in Hyderabad. So let us celebrate it with all joyfulness, happiness. Let us rejoice, let us sing, let us dance, let us do it with a lot of discipline. So we can show the people in Hyderabad also that Triprasas know how to enjoy themselves. And Thring is the date when we look forward to a glorious new year again. It is also a date when we look back. When we look back at our glorious rulers, we look back at our glorious generals, we look back at Maharaja Bir Vikram Manikya, whose picture is here, that he lived only for 39 years and did so much. We too have to contribute to our roots, whatever we can. No contribution is small. Every contribution is precious. So I wish you all a happy new year, and we will meet you again next year. And I'm sure this festival will grow from strength to strength. It will become a true platform for the culture of Tripura. And you people, all of you, each one of you who are today in Hyderabad, are true torch bearers of Tripura. You are the people who will show Tripura to Telangana. So you must work hard and show people of Telangana that Triprasa people are capable of doing many good things. So as I end my speech, once again, Happy New Year. We'll see you again next year in a bigger form, in a bigger, maybe a bigger platform, with much more dances, much more songs, much more people. But the beginning has been done by you. We have done the beginning today and we will carry it forward. Thank you so much. Bisi Katal Hambai, thank you so much.